Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create a new board in Monday.com, your complete 2025 guide. First up, log into your Monday.com account. This is where all the magic happens. It's important to start here because this is your control center for managing all your tasks and projects. Once you're logged in, let's move on to the left sidebar. Click on the plus icon beside Boards. This brings up a dialog box titled New Board. Creating a new board allows you to have a fresh workspace where you can manage and track a new project or task. In the New Board dialog box, type a name for your board. Choose a name that accurately represents the tasks or project you'll be managing on this board. The reason we do this is to make the board easily identifiable among others. Next up, select the type of board you want to create. You have the option to create a main board, shareable board, or private board. The choice depends on whether you want the board to be visible to all team members, shareable with external guests, or private to select individuals. This helps us ensure the right level of access and privacy for our tasks and projects. After you've chosen your board type, click the Create Board button. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is creating a new board with the name you specified and the type of board you selected. This board will now appear in your boards list. Now that we've done that, let's quickly customize the board. Click on the board settings icon and tailor the board to suit your needs. Customizing your board allows you to create a workspace that fits your style and the nature of your project. And there you have it. You've just created a new board in Monday.com. Let me explain why this matters. Creating a board helps you keep your tasks and projects organized so you can stay on top of your work. To wrap things up, remember that you can create as many boards as necessary to manage different projects. Each board serves as a unique workspace, keeping your tasks organized and your team focused. Until next time, keep your projects moving and stay organized with Monday.com.